Hello there. So you want to know how you can change your billing address on your Amazon? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on this internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open Google Chrome or any browser that you prefer, and simply go ahead and search for Amazon right over here, just like that. Once you've done that, click on the first link, which is amazon.com, as you can see, and all you need to do is go ahead and click on this or hover on this icon right over here on the top right. Make sure that you are logged in into your account and simply go ahead and click on account. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down, and as you can see, there's a tab called ordering and shopping preferences. The thing that you want to go ahead and change is addresses, so simply click on your addresses right over here. Now your addresses is going to be seen right here. You can either edit it, or you could just go ahead and add a new address right over here and just delete the old one and just recheck mark, make this my default address. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.